Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great Sunday, and it is time for a late lunch. And rather than eating food, I am going to have a meal replacement shake, and I am going to share with you about this meal replacement shake that was created by Chris and Heidi Powell. You probably are familiar with Chris. He's been on TV. He's helped people lose a lot of weight. And they have a whole transformation program. They got an app. They also have a supplement for an energy boost and also have for meal replacement. They have the chocolate and vanilla. I have put an order in for getting the vanilla as well. And looking forward to trying that flavor. Really like this chocolate flavor. And when you click on the link, you'll be able to read other reviews, they ask questions, and of course order it, and do appreciate you clicking on the link if you are interested. So if you really follow Chris and Heidi, they're really into fitness and health and eating well and taking care of yourself. And while I'm not an expert on supplements, I feel good about their recommendation, and I really like this. I really like the product. So about this meal replacement shake, and then we'll go ahead and make it. It's a low carb meal replacement shake, 20 grams of protein, 5 grams of net carbs. It's got quite a number of vitamins, from vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin E. It's got vitamin B3, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin B12, and more. It's soy-free, daily vitamin blend, and no added sugars. Again, there's obviously quite a number of ingredients, and you might want to familiarize yourself with that. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. And thanks to Chris and Heidi for making a very good, delicious product. What I try and do to make it more filling for me is I might do more than just one scoop. I might do a second scoop. And then I also add a banana and a little peanut butter. The nice part here is I have found a great bottle, a shaker that I use that eliminates the need for a blender, which is also really cool. But I will show you what the end looks like. And so again, I start with the banana, and I'll get this going first, and then we'll add the shake, and it is so good. So let me go ahead and put the banana in the shaker, and here we go. And the reviews that I have read with other people, they love the product. Some have said it's not as filling, but I find it does fill me up for a little while, and then I tend to want to probably an hour, 2 hours, after thereabouts, and I start getting a little bit more hungry. But with the banana and also adding the peanut butter, it helps, and I add that in with the milk, or actually sometimes at the office water, because I don't have milk there. So I shake up the banana, and wait till you see what the banana looks like in here. All right, we'll get this going. Just shake it up for, up to 20 seconds, depending upon how forceful you are. But let's just take a quick peek. So there you go, just shaking up a little bit more again. What's nice about the shaker is you can just take this and do this in your office. You don't need a blender. All right, almost there. There we go. So it probably can go a little bit more. I still see a little piece of banana. Let me just shake it up just for another quick minute. There we go. People laugh because I make, those weird faces when I do that. Okay, much better. Very, very cool. How about that? I'll put a link as well to the shaker. It's awesome. There's no wastage as well. So let me show you the meal replacement shake. Some people like to just, as I've read, rather than just using this as a meal replacement, they just use this as their protein shake, and rather, again, than as a full meal. So let me just do a little bit more than a full scoop. All right, got that in there. Put this off to the side for a quick second. All right, let's see if I can get the cap on. And just to show you the size scoop, I should really show that to you closer. So that is a scoop size. There you go. All right, we'll just put this here for now. Got the milk. And I drink, since I'm home, got the fat-free milk. Thought I probably could bring a small little container of milk with it. And it calls for, let's see, as far as milk, it calls for 12 ounces. 12 ounces of ice cold water, almond milk, or your beverage of choice. And then last but not least, I put a little bit of peanut butter in there. I do the natural Jif crunchy peanut butter. And this is so good when this is all done. Delicious. All right, here we go. Shake it up just a little bit more. And again, you don't need a blender, which is nice. So just so you can see, what's nice is there's no clumps as well, very smooth. Put in this clear shaker so you can see. I think that's just some of the peanut butter. That's hard, I find, to break up as much, but there you go. You can see there's no waste at all. And, cheers. So, go ahead, find out some more information by clicking on the link, whoop, almost spilled, where you can find out about this meal replacement shake. And, some people might have it a couple times a day. I at least have it once a day if I can, and looking forward to trying the vanilla as well. If you are taking this meal replacement shake, whether it's for a full meal replacement or you're just doing it as a protein shake, leave any comments below. I love what your feedback is, how it's working for you. Chris and Heidi, great job as always, and really appreciate it, and hope everybody lives a healthy life. Enjoy. Cheers. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.